Ay, sorry.
Thank you for calling Shiva Hotel. How can I assist you?
Hi there, I'd like to book a room for birthday celebration this week.
That sounds exciting. I'd be happy to help you with that. May I know who's calling, please?
Sure, it's Mary Jane Shore.
Thank you, Miss Mary Jane. What date are you looking to book the room for? And how many guests will be attending the celebration?
I'd like to book on Saturday night. It's February 21 and there will be about 4 of us.
Until when, Miss Mary Jane?
Until February 23, so it's 2 days.
Great. One moment, please. Let me check our availability for that day. Good news, Miss Mary Jane. We have a lovely room that can accommodate your room comfortably. It has living area and a beautiful view.
That sounds great. What's the rate for the room?
The room is 15,000 per night and it's called the Lux Room. It includes complimentary breakfast for all guests and access to our rooftop lounge.
Also, can we also arrange some decorations or a cake for a celebration?
Yes, we can certainly help with that. We have a partnership with a local bakery. We can arrange to be delivered to your room. As for decorations, we can provide balloons and a birthday banner. Would you like us to set that up for you?
Yes, that would be great. Could you make sure that the cake is chocolate?
Absolutely, I'll note that down. Do you have any specific time you'd like the decorations and to be set up?
If possible, around 6 p.m. would be ideal.
Perfect. We arrange everything to be ready by then. Now, can I have your credit card and expiration date to secure the reservation?
Of course. It's 3141 5358 9792. And the expired date will be January 6, 2026.
I repeat, it's 3141-5358-9793. The expiration date is on January 6, 2026. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Can I also get your email for confirmation? For updating you, Ms. Mary?
Yes, sure. It's maryjane.shorna@gmail.com.
Thank you, Ms. Mary. Your reservation is confirmed for the deluxe room on Tigard and for Saturday night. And we have the chocolate and decorations ready by 6 p.m.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Everything is okay for now.
It's my pleasure. We look forward to helping you celebrate this special occasion. Have a wonderful day, Ms. Mary Jane.
Thank you.
Also, good.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our
Good day, ma'am. Welcome to Shimmer Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I booked a reservation on February 21.